Chapter 3. A Clean World. Our environment provides us everything we need. Resources like air, water, soil, etc. are the gifts of nature. So, being the most developed living being, it is our duty to keep the earth clean and green. But with our growing needs, we have started dirtying the air, water, and land by our actions. How does air get dirty? Look at the following pictures. They are showing how air gets dirty. Smoke from automobiles and factories makes the air dirty. Smoke, ashes, and chemicals from volcanoes make the air dirty. Polluted air, which is inhaled, can make us and animals sick. Air pollution can cause coughs, asthma, and burning eyes. How does water get dirty? Look at the following pictures. They are showing how water gets dirty. Garbage makes water dirty. Chemical waste from factories are thrown into freshwater bodies. Dirty water is unfit for drinking. We may feel sick if we drink dirty water. Plants and animals living in ponds and rivers may also die if we do not stop dumping waste into ponds and rivers. How does land get dirty? Soil pollution causes loss of nutrients and reduces the fertility of the soil. It also causes soil erosion. Harmful chemicals which pollute the soil are absorbed by plants. When these plants are eaten by us, it can cause a number of diseases. Domestic waste causes soil pollution. Solid waste from industries pollutes the soil. Noise. Look at the following pictures. They are showing how too much noise is produced. A sound which is unpleasant to our ears is called noise. Too much of unwanted and loud noise can cause many other health problems. Disposal of waste. On everyday basis, a lot of solid and liquid waste is produced. The domestic waste like fruits and vegetable peels, paper, clothes made from cotton or wool, broken wood and furniture, etc., and mix with the soil after some time. These wastes are called biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste. Some waste, such as plastics, glass, metals, chemicals, and synthetic fiber, do not rot and remain in the soil for a very long time. They cause soil pollution. Such wastes are called non biodegradable waste. Biodegradable and non biodegradable waste need different treatment, so they are first sorted out by the garbage collecting agencies. Biodegradable wastes are dumped in large pits called landfills. Here they are covered with a layer of soil and allowed to rot. Non biodegradable waste like plastic and glass, which can be reused, are sent to recycling units. Here these are melted and used for making new products. Non biodegradable waste, which cannot be reused, are sent to burning units called incinerators. Saving the earth. Planting trees. Trees maintain the temperature and keep the surroundings cool. Trees convert carbon dioxide into oxygen by the process of photosynthesis. This oxygen is used by all living things. The wood of trees absorbs noise from the surroundings and controls it. The most important and effective method of protecting our environment is planting of trees. Planting many trees in an area is known as afforestation. Trees hold soil and prevent soil erosion. Reducing waste. We should try to reduce waste generation. We should try to reuse waste bags, clothes, and bottles before throwing them. We should not waste paper. Instead, we should sell it to the junk dealer who send it for recycling. To produce fresh paper, trees are cut, which is an environmental hazard. Waste should be neither burned nor thrown into rivers. Regular checking of vehicles helps to control release of poisonous smoke in the air. Waste from industries should be made harmless before being released into the water bodies and the soil. Similarly, smoke released from automobiles and industries should be made harmless before releasing it in the air. We should practice healthy living habits to save fuel by carpool to use public transport, electricity and water. We should encourage the use of CNG in our vehicles. 3 hours. We can save our environment by regularly practicing the 3 R's of environmental protection: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce your needs. Do not buy things you do not need. Do not accumulate more things than you need. The more things you have, the more waste you produce. Buy things which can be used again and again over a long period of time. Avoid disposable things which have to be thrown away after every use. Recycling is converting waste into reusable material. A number of ways, like old newspapers, empty glass bottles, plastics, and tins, can be recycled and turned into a new product.